Are you a music producer that's struggling to get your kicks to cut through your mixes? We'll try out this technique. Alright, so here we are in Ableton with our beat, and it's sounding pretty good, so I'm gonna add some kicks to it. Okay, that's sounding pretty good, but now you can see our kick is clashing with our 808s, which is not what we want. So what I'm gonna do is grab a compressor and put it on my 808 track, and then I'm going to select Sidechain, and then audio from, I'm going to select my kick. And now you can hear the 808 ducks out every time the kick hits. But we can take it one step further. We are going to consolidate our drum track, and then we're going to right click on that track and click Convert Drums to New MIDI Track. And this will create a completely new track with our kicks. And for some reason it picked up some snare as well. You can just delete that. But now we have a completely new MIDI track with every time the drum hits. And now we can sidechain our 808 track to the drum track that we just created. And this will just allow for greater flexibility when we are sidechaining. Make sure you mute the MIDI track that we just created. This is our ghost track, and the sidechain should still go through. Now you can mess around with some of the parameters in the sidechain and adjust it to taste. If you adjust the ratio, that will basically control how much the sidechain will duck, and if you adjust the release, that will control how long the 808 will duck out. You can also control the MIDI and make those longer or shorter depending on taste, and this should give you more flexibility and actually give you control over dynamics as well. So in full context, it should sound something like this.